Is your Ninja CREAMi Pint container stuck after a spin cycle? Don't try to pull it out by force, as that could damage the machine. Instead, try these simple steps to remove it safely. First, wait about a minute after the cycle finishes. The machine may still have internal pressure, and giving it a little time makes the container much easier to remove. Next, press and hold the release button while carefully lifting the handle. Use steady pressure instead of pulling hard, allowing the locking mechanism to release on its own. If the bowl itself is stuck in the machine, hold it with both hands and gently rock it from side to side while lifting upward. Avoid twisting it, since that can put unnecessary stress on the locking tabs. If the pin container is stuck inside the outer bowl, remove the lid first, then use a dry towel for a better grip and pull the pin straight up. Try not to remove it at any angle, as that can make it harder to release. If everything is frozen together, run a little warm water around the outside of the bowl for a few seconds. This can help loosen the fit without damaging any of the parts. If the container still won't come out, inspect the bowl for dried food residue, damaged tabs, or any signs of warping. If you notice broken parts, it's best to contact Ninja support or replace the damaged component. Hopefully, one of these solutions solves the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.